What's up, guys? So I'd like to share you my Stalwart from Walmart. So let's do the unboxing. It's just a small tool, like a set tool from Walmart. Okay, so I'm just gonna tilt it over like this. And there we go. Okay, so got it on the side. One more. Okay, got it. The reason I purchased this one is because I think it's a great tool for your vehicle just in case you need it. Okay, it has, electrical tape. Of course, we got a wrench here, adjustable wrench, screwdrivers, pliers, the long nose and the regular ones, cutter, and a direct test. I think this is a test for battery test. Of course, electrical tape. Okay, I wanted to show you the closer look for the thing. It's rubbery. It's not a hard plastic, it's just regular rubber. It's not the plastic, it's not like this one. No, it's not like this, as you can see. It looks like it made from a cheap plastic or cheap rubber, but I think it's okay. The price is just around $12, so I think it's a good deal. I think this is worth of purchase. So I'm gonna put this one inside my car, just in case I need it. Alright, so I hope this video helps you guys. Please subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching.